Hello friends, today we'll discuss about Zyrtec syrup, which is an antihistamine allopathic drug and combination of two medicine, that is dextromethorphan hydrobromide of 10 gram and chloramphenarimine maleate of 2 gram. I have a 100 ml bottle of Zyrtec syrup with me that says to avoid exposure directly to the sunlight and store within 20 to 30 degrees Celsius. Basically, this syrup is used to treat common cold and cough with its effective relief. Its side effects are severe dizziness and stomach upsets. It rarely harms the kidneys and has a very mild effect on the liver and heart. If you experience any unwanted effects of this drug, immediately stop taking and consult to your doctor. You should not use this medicine if you are allergic to chloramphenarimine or dextromethorphan. This is easily available in the medicine store for rupees 120 and the dose recommended is 10 ml per day, that is 3 to 4 times 2 teaspoonfuls as directed. And also, if you have any disease like allergic symptoms and liver diseases, asthma problems, then please do not take this medicine unless you are advised by the doctor. So friends, this was some information about the Zyrtec cough syrup. Thank you so much for your valuable time. If you have not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe and press the bell icon. Meet you in the next video. Till then, goodbye and take care.